Yeah, well, welcome back. We are looking at question 5. Determine inverse Laplace of this function. Okay? And what we have out there, the function is in linear form here. Okay? Equal to this expression. So what we do is to factorize the function is here. The function is also here. Take the f of x, take it outside. Then you have what? This plus what? Plus 2 equal to a fraction. Okay? So the next thing to do is to make this function f of x as a subject, and that will be equal to this plus 2 of x plus 14 all over x plus 2, and then x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay? So, observation, numerator has a power of 2, and denominator is a power 3. Okay? So in that case now, that will call for partial fraction. Okay? The degree of denominator is higher than the numerator. Write the fraction, or the linear factor here, that will be a over x plus 2. This is quadratic. That will be, this quadratic is going to be a linear. The constant stop at a, that will be x dx plus c all over the quadratic expression. Okay? Then the next thing to do is to multiply through by the common factor. We will have the numerator. Of this, then plus this one and this one, x plus 2 times bx plus c. Okay? This fraction times common factor will give you this one. This fraction also times common factor will give you this. Okay? So what we'll do, let's substitute. Let's x be minus 2, so that if you do that, this expression will cancel. We can generate a. So this one will give you 30. We have 30 here. Then here, so this will be 10a. So a is what? A is like 3. Okay, let's expand the right hand side. So this one and this one. The right hand side, we have what? We have this. This one a times minus 2x. That's a minus 2a x. And then plus what? Plus 2a. Then here also, this one and this one, that's a dx squared plus cx, and then this one and this one, that's a plus 2b x, and then plus 2c. Okay? Equate coefficients. Then we start with the x squared. The coefficient of x squared on the left hand side is 10. We have 10 equal to. On the right hand side, we have here a plus b. A plus b. Okay? And then we have our a at 3. That will be 10 equal to 3 plus b. So b is what? B is at 7. B is 7. Okay? So we need the c. So where can we find c? I think we can equate the constant terms. We can equate the constant terms. 2a plus 2c equate constant terms. The constant terms on this one, on the left, we have 14 equal to 2a plus 2c. And that will be equal to 14 equal to 2 times a is what? 3, and then plus 2c. And this one is what? 6. So that's 14 minus 6 equal to what? 2c. So c is what? 8 over 2. C is 4. So we've gotten all the required parameters. The inverse Laplace of this, take the inverse of that. Don't forget this fraction is f of x. So we are taking the inverse of this. And that will be equal to what? Inverse of. My a is what? My a is 3 over x plus 2, then plus. My b is 7 plus 4 all over this one. So that's what we have. So, and the meaning of this one means is equal to inverse Laplace of this, then plus inverse Laplace of. So we just need to work on this one. This one, the denominator here. We can't factorize it, but we can turn it to perfect square. Take 1 here, then minus half of 2 is 1, square that. So whatever you have here, take it outside, square, then plus 2. And that's equal to what? That's x minus 1 squared plus 1. Okay, so that's what we have now. And what we have here, the variable here is x. It's a signal that it can be as x minus 1. So we want to turn this particular alphabet to x minus 1. How do we do that? Let's u equal to this, and then u plus 1 is this. Okay? Then go back to the numerator. This now becomes 7 times s, which is u plus 1, and then plus 4. And that's equal to what? 7u, 7 times 1, that's 7, plus 4, that's 11. Okay? So if you go back now and return u back to the original function, it's going to give you this expression. You can check that. Check it, let's check. 7u plus 11 is equal to 7 times, my u is what? X minus 1 plus 11. Open it, then 7x minus 7 plus 11. That's what? That's plus 4. That's confirmed that you have not altered anything. Okay, so we just go back here. Inverse Laplace of this one is equal to 7u. Return this one back. X minus 1 and plus 11 all over. This one is what? This one is u squared plus 1. Okay, u squared plus 1, which is the same thing as what? X minus 1 squared plus 1. Okay, then you can now break this one into 2 parts, which will be equal to what? Inverse Laplace of 7 times this all over this plus 1, then plus inverse Laplace of 11 over x minus 1 squared plus 1. Okay, so without wasting time, this will give us what? This 7 can come outside, and that will be 7 exponential to our t cos t, and this will give us what? 11 can come outside, that will be 11 exponential to our t sin what? Sin t also. Okay, so the final answer, inverse Laplace of this, okay, is equal to this one, inverse of that, which is 3 exponential to power minus 2t, then plus 7 times exponential to power t cos t, then plus 11 exponential to power t sin t. So that's that on this question. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, there's an icon on this video. Click on it. Okay, click on that icon and subscribe. Okay, so that you can keep track of the update of this channel. And click on like button and begin to type your comments now. Okay, and finally, you can share the link of this video on your social media platform. Start doing that now. Thank you for doing that. Next question, join the next question, question 6, still on what? Inverse Laplace.